Hey guys, it's Rob over at Northeast Factory Direct, hanging out in the kitchen. Going to talk about some kitchen design today. So if you start anywhere else, they're going to start you off with particle board boxes, small standard doors and drawers. Their drawers don't fully extend. They've got stapled and glued on the front and the back, flimsy undermounts, and they slam shut. Everything that we offer has the same construction, so you're going to get full overlay on our doors and drawers. The drawers fully extend. They're dovetail on the back and the front. We've got solid steel undermounts with an all plywood box. And then, of course, they soft close. So what do we ask for you? Just bring in some preliminary measurements for us. If you can just get your wall lengths, your window and door placement, as well as the width and how far they are off of the walls, that's all we need. Maybe some pictures along of your current kitchen. And then just give us a call. We can schedule an appointment for you. It's 216-671-2227. You can schedule an appointment to come in. We just ask for those basic measurements. We'll then sit you down, find a door style that you like, come up with a quote for you. You'll leave with a quote, an item list, as well as 3D images of everything that we built and what your kitchen's going to look like. So